please tune in. I have a special video coming out, and it's about how bees are being replaced by robots, like right now, right now. So yeah, please come back and check that out. It's pretty serious and scary, but I'll leave that one for next week because it is happening right now. This video actually was more about my vision for the bee raft, what's going on in 2023 as far as bee rafts, and what you're going to be seeing, what kind of content on the channel. I'm making some changes, which is a good thing because there's a lot going on up here, and since my background is in video, and I'm really creative, I'm an artist by nature. So I thought of a few different ways that I could get the point across and educate people on how important bees are to our livelihood.